Today we will show you how to remove and replace the interface on this GE French door refrigerator.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Reasons for replacing the interface would be if there was no display or the buttons were non-responsive.
Stop. Be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage.
To remove your covers, we must first remove the 4 Phillips screws that hold them on. With the last screw removed, we can lift the cover up and rotate it to the back to access all the components underneath. To remove your interface, unplug the 3 Molex connectors. And lift your interface off the top and set it aside. To install your new interface, lay it down upside down. Plug in your 3 Molex. Now we can reinstall. To install your interface, flip it back over. Make sure you have all your wires tucked neatly inside. Install the 2 Phillips screws. Install your covers for your hinges. And that completes the repair. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.